I'm doing question 3 of the 2019 AP Calculus test. This states the continuous function f is defined on the closed interval -6 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 5. The figure above shows a portion of the graph of f consisting of the two line segments and a quarter circle centered at the point 5, 3. It is known that the point 3 minus the square root of 5 is on the graph of f. Now I'm going to do part A, which states if the integral from -6 to 5 of f of x dx is equal to 7, find the value of the integral from -6 to -2 f of x dx. Because we know that the integral from -6 to -5 of f of x dx equals 7, the value of from the integral from -6 to -2 fx dx equals 7 minus the integral from -2 to 5 fx dx, which can be found using the graph. The second step in this equation is to use the graph in order to find the integral from -2 to 5. In order to do this, we can cancel out the point from -2 to -1 and the points from -1 to 0 because they have the same area. We can also do the same thing with the area from here to here and from here to here, in between 0 and 1, because they have the same slope on each side. Now we just have to find the two areas from 1 to 2 and from 2 to 5. So in order to find this area from 1 to 2, you use the trapezoid formula, which is b1 plus b2 over 2 times the height. And if you plug this in, it will be 1 plus 3 over 2 times 1. And this equals 2. So the area inside the trapezoid equals 2. The next step is to find the area under the curve. In order to find the area of this curve, we must take the area of the square right here, which is 9, and subtract it from the area under the area of the circle, which is 1/4 the circle, and which would be 9 pi over 4. The next step is to add these two sections together and subtract them from the original equation. So it would be, the integral from -6 to -2 fx dx would equal 7 minus 2 plus 9 minus 9 pi over 4. Then if we simplify this, the equation would be the integral from -6 to -2 fx dx would equal 9 pi over 4 plus 4. And that is the final solution.